I'm glad you guys are enjoying it.
Hot dogging it.
Drift? This guy wants to see you drift right here.
Wide drifts. Nice.
How was
Right
that?
back up.
You like that?
Oh yeah. Loving it. Loving it.
Is it done?
Alright, here's one that everybody in the whole parking lot should learn. This is how you park your bike.
Nice. 180 stop. Running out. And he scrapes at 12 o'clock sit down. And 360 right out. Nice. This guy has so much control on his motorcycle. It's amazing. Let's see what side wants the most action. Who wants the most? Uh-oh, it's going to be a good one. Carving high on the stop, he's straight to sit down circles. Oh yeah, fast 360s. Awesome, great control. He's feeling it. Tires get hot. Nice control, Bill. Let's make some noise. Sit down, go in circles. You can believe it. Whoa. It's just getting started. Stand up, no in circles.
Yeah, you like that?
Bingo.
Where you at, Ghost Rider?
Straight to sketching. Yeah. That's how you move. Oh, yeah. Let's make some noise, Bill. Let's go, let's go, let's go, Bill. Oh, yeah.
Make some noise.
Yeah. Go ahead, whirly across the parking lot. Jumps up the seat standard. Beautiful handbrake control. Got to pull something off. What do you think about that? And he saves it. And he saves it. Looking good. Let's make some noise, Storm. Let's make some noise. Keep it going. Oh yeah. Loving it, man. Looking good. Looking good. Looking good. Then carving to the right. Straight to bunny hop. Back to drift. This guy's on the go. He switches it up and goes to the right, sit down circles. Get left, burn out, straight in the stoppies, he got it all. Oh yeah, it's feeling good, it's feeling good. Hands up there, hands out the heat from that motorcycle. He's a little warm than us. He's trying to stay warm and make some noise. Oh yeah. Nice. Oh yeah.
Shuffle. people didn't know him. Slide that thing all around. There he goes. Now we're having some fun. Right into the window. Nice no-handed wheelie. Lean it way back. With the pedal. He's gonna have to, yeah, he's gonna do it again. Here he goes. Leaned way out on that side. He's right on the edge. Left foot, right peg, still going. Takes his throttle hand off, still keeps it going up. From one trick right into another one. Leaned in right to the sit-down circle, spinning that thing around. Look at the power. Now it's getting crazy. This is a big deal on the S1000. Moving his feet all around, getting up front there. There you go, taking his hand off, still keeps it going. Up front tire. Alright, now we're these guys are real smooth and stuffy. Chris, I said real smooth, alright? And then they're gonna come in and stop you. You're gonna lean in and come straight here. You lean in and get a little kiss in the helmet. Here we go.